Hello. So, yeah, we had a lovely delivery today, which was from Tandy Leather. So, if you remember a while back from my Instagram stream, we were working on this massive, like, Halloween costume, which was the Death Eaters from Harry Potter. So, there was a whole load of parts in there. There was some leather work, especially, case in point, and there were a whole lot of other things. Sewing, which was like I think about 200 hours or so of sewing. It was just insane. But anyway, so we went down to this place called Tandy Leather, and they had like so many things and everything, but it's all like full markup. So kept an eye on them because I really wanted some of their tools. And lo and behold, Black Friday comes along, and they have. Sorry, I'm speaking to this thing. And they had a whole lot of stuff. These guys are on sale. I think it was like $16, and this guy will keep you going for like years. So what it is basically they have a cheaper set, which I did buy, which is basically, if I just take this off, so it's basically these things, but separately, which you can attach to like a shaft, and then you hammer into an anvil, which is great, but as you can guess, makes Swiss cheese out of your cutting mat. So kept an eye out for the Black Friday sale, and I bought this guy, a leather hole punch, which is I think about $16. Then I bought, that was a massive find because it's like $40 or $50. This guy, which is just a dream. And this is like $78. Yeah, expensive. So I really, really wanted this guy. This will help for making the leather straps for Project Grindlewald, as I'm going to call it. So basically it's like a leather strap cutter. So in there is a blade, and as the leather comes through it, it cuts it off. But yeah, that should be really cool. But as I said, these guys are incredibly expensive. But once you've got it, you're good. This thing will last for like years and years and years and years. You'll be like in your 70s and this thing will still be going. But yeah, this guy, yeah, again, $16. Amazing. Like I said, expensive, but in that sale it was just like I had to get it. So that was $16. Those two, $30. Yeah, insane. This is a beginner's leather sewing kit. So you have like something like, I think this guy is used for pulling the stitching out, and then this guy, which is I think is a punch. It's a little punch, I'm guessing. It's got a protective end on it. You see that? Actually, let's get it out there. Oh, they wrap it out. Bag inside a bag. Okay, what do we got? So this guy is probably some kind of like divot thing. Roll it along. Maybe a cutting thing. Yeah. Then this guy is obviously the punch for making holes when you're stitching. Then this guy is most probably to do with, yeah, taking your thread and then like taking it in and then pulling it out. So that should be good. There's also some needles somewhere. Hopefully I haven't lost them, but yeah, some needles. If you can see that. Not particularly great at the webcam, but getting better. Yeah, but should be really cool. Then somewhere under here, find it. Is a leather burnishing tool. This thing, I think it was like $5. Again in the sale on Black Friday. on sale. So this guy goes onto a power screw, power drill, and then what happens is, so you secure this in, and then what happens is, once you cut the leather, it's really kind of ragged. So if you don't burnish it, it's not like a proper professional like job. So what you do then is you run this guy at speed just a little, just to burnish it, just to make it kind of like so it doesn't kind of get frayed or anything. It's kind of nice, smooth, neat, professional finish, which will look really good. So that's why I bought, and really, really happy about. I can't believe I got this for like $16. It's basically like robbery, like, because this again is like $80. Anyway, so there we go, and so this will help Project Grindlewald continue, which is going to be, it's going to take a couple of months, but it's, in the end, it's going to look really good. Anyway, so there we are. Okay. Oh, bye.